Good morning, everybody. Let's talk about the Esembly Try-It Kit. This little kit has everything you need if you want to try assembly for the first time. So it comes in this sweet little package, which is perfect for gifting. The outer little wet bag here is where you can store your dirty diapers. On the inside, it comes with a sample pack of Esembly's washing powder. This stuff is biodegradable, free of dyes, fragrances, parabens, optical brighteners, all that good stuff. Then we have the waterproof diaper cover that goes on the top of the Esembly system. It's stretchy elastic all around, it's soft and pliable, it fits really nicely, it's got little elastic in the front too. It's 2 layers of fabric made from recycled plastic water bottles. Then we have 100% cotton inners. You get 3 of them in the package. These are organic cotton and totally blowout proof. This is what it looks like on the inside. And last but not least, this is the most amazing part. You get full instructions as part of the Try-It Kit. It goes through everything you need to know. Pre-washing, fit, how to deal with leaks, how to put it on baby with visual instructions, skincare, how to prevent and treat diaper rashes, laundry and washing. It goes through storage. And the best part, look, there's a magnet on the inside. It has all the washing instructions right there. So even if you have a partner or a grandma or a babysitter helping you out with cloth diapers, you can put that on your washing machine. It tells you exactly how to do everything. There's the cotton inner on the inside, you put the waterproof cover on the outside, and you have a beautiful system.